in a typical German upbringing at the time, working in the hotel, in any business where you start working in the business, if you're a bricklayer or a baker, you go once a week to the school of your industry. So once a week, I went to a hotel school. Normally, after 2 years, I was 16. The teacher asked us, young professor, to write an essay, 3 pages, what we now think about our industry. That evening, I was again working in the restaurant, and I happened to watch the maitre d' approach a table. And I realized I had seen it, but it wasn't clear to me. I realized that the guests at the table were proud that he came to them. I said, wait a minute, this is a reversal. They are the important ladies and gentlemen. We are the servants, the mantra of the hotel.
Yeah.
And this is a reversal. And when I went to my room that night to start writing on my essay, I was thinking about that so much. I want to write about this impression. And I came to the conclusion for the first time in my life, because I think, why are they so proud? Because simply he had defined himself as a very fine gentleman, as a first-class maitre d'. And they were proud he came to them because of how he had defined himself. And it hit me. I can define myself too. Even if I was a dishwasher my whole life, I can still define myself as a fine human being and a gentleman. Not somebody else defines you, which our society seems to think everybody. Yeah. No, you define yourself. And you have to make a decision how you want it and who you want to be and define yourself as such. And I wrote that in an essay that evening, and I named that essay, "We are, ladies and gentlemen, serving ladies and gentlemen. We are not servants." The essay, "We are, ladies and gentlemen, serving ladies and gentlemen," which I made the motto of Ritz-Carlton when I started Ritz-Carlton. And it became world famous in our industry. I mean, everybody in our industry knows that. It became, and isn't it so that we're not servants unless we lower ourselves to that level? I'm gentleman, but my profession is to with care, serve my guest, whom I respect as ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
That was the deal.